You've probably heard about ChatGPT and Gemini, but there's another AI quietly becoming a secret weapon for top developers, researchers, and founders. Meet Claude from Anthropic, an AI developed by a safety-focused company founded by former OpenAI executives. It's about to change how you work with AI. I'll show you how Claude plugs into Google Workspace, writes code, builds apps, and creates interactive dashboards. It can turn messy data into beautiful visuals, prioritize your day, and automate tasks that used to take hours. So what exactly is Claude? It's a conversational large language model made by Anthropic, designed for reasoning, writing, coding, and handling large documents. Claude excels in dialogue-style reasoning, coding help, and ethical reasoning, using any personal context you provide, all while adhering to constitutional AI principles. It's available via web, mobile, desktop, or API, offering flexible access for all users. To optimize Claude, turn on artifacts to see its extended thinking and live outputs in a separate pane. Enable the analysis tool for data, code, and visuals, and connect Google Drive so Claude can read your documents. Imagine it's 9 a.m. and you're buried in emails and tasks. Claude can scan everything and surface the 3 most important things for your day. It's like a personal assistant that's actually organized, generating a full development roadmap from a simple checklist. Claude can even live in your browser, interacting with web pages, clicking buttons, and filling forms without you typing everything out. Have a big meeting tomorrow with no prep? Hand Claude all your notes and research, and it will create professional meeting notes. For visual thinkers, drop your info into Claude and say, "Make me an infographic." The artifact pane will generate code and visuals in seconds. Claude's project tool links chats and documents, ensuring everything stays consistent and synced across multiple outputs. Upload textbook-sized PDFs and turn them into interactive dashboards for study or review, or use the screenshot tool for quick answers. Claude is solid as a writer, producing near-Hollywood script formats, blog posts, and structured outputs. What used to take a dev team weeks, you can now prototype in minutes with vibe coding. You describe the vibe, and Claude builds the prototype. For pro tips, be specific in your prompts. Define Claude's role and set clear expectations for the output. Use few-shot prompting with examples or chain-of-thought prompting to ask Claude to explain its reasoning. AI agents are Claude on steroids, running tasks end-to-end, reasoning, using tools, and iterating until the job's done. If you work with documents, data, writing, or building prototypes, especially inside Google Workspace, Claude will make you far more productive. It's a powerful assistant for people who need depth, reasoning, and the ability to build. If you like this, hit the like button, tell us in the comments if you'll use Claude, and subscribe to Learn with Shopify for weekly business and AI walkthroughs.